So my word, my sentence, my paragraph, I cannot believe it. Yes, no, let me just correct myself. I definitely can't believe it because I'm sure this is a video with Dalton Harris, the 2010 Digital Rising Stars winner, who is now on the 2018 season of the X Factor UK. Let me just show you a little piece before we start the chat.
This, I can say, is single-handedly the biggest moment, most important moment of my life.
Alright, so let me just mention this Dalton Harris, but tell you before, so you know the win Rising Stars in 2010.
Cause they always start to cry.
But no, you know, people just kind of want to like, yo, want the Dalton Harris, oh, me not hear from him. But I guess Dalton Harris slowly did try to work himself up to the point where he can go on a competition like this. And trust me, it kind of feel weird to see like another Jamaican on a talent show like this because Jamaica has never really had somebody to like enter like a, you know, like a overseas singing competition. We never have that, right?
Sometimes I think it's
So they've introduced Dalton on the stage.
Good looking. Hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Dalton Harris.
Has the brother go inform the crowd say he has hard Jamaican? Look on the reaction.
Where are you from?
I flew here from Jamaica.
No, I just can't understand it. Like, what is so special? Like, I know I'm Jamaican, but we just can't understand. What's so special when foreign people hear Jamaica, them face just light up? Is it the rent that dread them? Is it the good body girl on Instagram? What is it? It's because them fear and feel like we're going to ask them and fight them. Them just like just cheer for because they know so we're going to go bad and bold. And we'll cuss if we don't get it forward. I do not know, but whatever Jamaica is doing, continue it. Because we just kind of like the little public image. So when I'm going to ask him about his musical inspirations, I don't know what happened to Dalton at that point. Like, Dalton mouth start for just like some Janine speech that one.
Some of your musical inspirations, Dalton.
I like, mind work, please.
You know, see, I just nerves that take him over. So same time now, boy, you know them competition, the X Factor, they are all about like the emotional type of stuff. Them want to forget if you ball.
A lot of people that I've come across said sorry. A lot of people could be left with a lot less pain.
So anyway, him start to sing the song.
He's very nervous.
And you can legit see the nerves all over his body. Just think about it. You have Simon Cowell. You have 3 other people I don't really remember right now. I remember the youth from One Direction named Louis. And the rest of people, I don't really know them, but big up themselves. Anyway, so Dalton there in front of Simon Cowell, and I'm very glad. I hope so that kind of help him because him come under the tutelage of Anthony Miller. So once I use Anthony, little rough comments them, you must get more than can manage. Simon Cowell.
I didn't feel like I wanted to cry. I don't think you know, the past few weeks have been difficult for you. You've delivered worse performances. You improved tonight, but you're still not there yet.
So the song that he decided to sing was an Elton John classic, Sorry Seems to Be the Hardest Word.
I'm gonna be singing Sorry Seems to Be the Hardest Word.
what am I gonna do to make you love me?
When he start singing the song and all kind of things, I said, no, I have a deja vu. I said, the little sound kind of familiar.
What am I gonna do to make you love me?
Like that come from outer Dreamgirls with Beyonce and Jennifer.
You won't harm my love and my devotion.
Same time, I also want to quick note, I say, Simon Cowell, like him, I say, oh, I never expect him to sound so good.
Oh, yeah.
And then you have the brother, you know, like him, they ready for slow throw, them cheering on as him here, Dalton, so all of a sudden he want to come sit up and I say, oh yeah, I'm going to come free you, and hear what you say.
What am I gonna do to make you love me? Why can't we talk it over?
Then I expect Dalton to lead the note, they like, but I think if they're too busy, I get caught up to start a ball, so when him take the note there, me like, yeah, Dalton, yeah, find back yourself. Fling away, as what Crystal Tomlinson say, kill with fear, oh, big up her book, when you forget her book, but yeah, she said, kill fear, and Dalton, that is what you do, dude, that is what you did right there on the stage there.
Seems to be the hardest word. What?
I'm not gonna lie, people, when me watch the performance, I start to get emotional. I don't know what X Factor do, like them just sprinkle some little, I don't know, some little portion on the TV screen, so when you look on it, you just feel, you feel overcome with emotion, like you just want bad, you just want weep. And so Dalton I sing the song, and then all of a sudden he reach one point where I say just, let me think of it, there of it.
Yeah.
But then I realize I choke up on emotion. So I said, Jesus, babe, see, you know, Dalton now come off on the stage and start ball, and that going to be it for Dalton for X Factor. But no, they would hold it and come back to this line.
What do I do when lightning strikes me?
And then let's go talk about this long everlasting 10 years later note we end the song. when Tessan changed it in a device. And then, you know, X Factor just can't stop with the one baga emotional moments. So when Dalton finished, then keep on asking more questions about why the song didn't mean so much, and I draw more out time. Then Dalton start forget, you know, emotional on stage, I cry. Two of the judges them come out now for come embrace him. Then one big piece of cowball, and I'm sure said I'm yellow, I'm sure said the whole of Jamaica, oh, I watch it right now. I watched it already. Did a ball too.
And it's not a sad story. It's just it's been a lot. It's been a long.
And then Dalton in true Jamaican style, you know, like when they start to kind of get soft in front of people, you have to try to kind of talk it up and kind of be like, yo, I see the show you, I kind of want to keep the gangster thing and come at me a ball on stage and all them something, yeah.
Man, you see this on TV and you thought, that's not gonna be me, because I'm a gangster, right?
What up, gangsta?
So after all the hugging, the tears, and the consoling, Dalton actually got a standing ovation from all 4 X Factor judges, and they get like, you know, the stamp of approval from all of them. So we're gonna move on to the next round, and for that, Dalton, we're gonna give you a big salute and a big clap. Yeah, cheers to Dalton right now. Woo! And yeah, we kind of like them little moments here because they kind of good for my videos them, so we can put up more stuff, kind of, you know, show your journey. And plus I think it's a big deal, it's a big, you know, look for Jamaica. I just like to see moments like this when Jamaica get to compete with the world. Because, you know, Jamaican people, we kind of feel like we are the best, like there's no other nation like our nation.
Sweet, so sweet, no place to me like ya.
So at this moment, Jamaicans, we just gonna ask you that if you never hear about X Factor before, X Factor UK, make sure to tune in. Or go research, find out which day of the week you can get for watch. Look at all of the clips them on YouTube. Go and leave in a comment, put on hashtag Team Jamaica, hashtag Dalton Harris, and get this trending because yeah, we kind of live for them at the moment. I remember but that's it, Burritos. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure to say a comment and put in, you know, Team Jamaica, Dalton Harris, and all of these things, and let me know what is your favorite part of the video. Let me know how you felt, you know, to see a Jamaican youth up there representing country well. Also, share the video, send it to all your friends in the diaspora, make them get to check out the thing as well, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Take care until next time.
If I had the wings of a dove, if I had the wings of a dove, I would fly.